The HDL50A is a three-way active line array module designed for large live concerts or events, indoor or outdoor. It features two 12-inch woofers, four 6-inch mid-rangers, and two 3-inch compression drivers on an innovative waveguide. A four-way digital amplifier with switch mode power supply powers the system. The input section has selectable presets, and the DSP is remotely controllable. The HDL50A delivers 143 dB max SPL with 4,400 watt peak power. As for its dispersion characteristics, the HDL50A delivers a 90-degree constant horizontal coverage, up to 10-degree configurable vertical coverage, and will run up to 20 flyable modules. This tour-grade system comes in a structurally reinforced composite plywood polypropylene enclosure and is equipped with two side aluminium handles with rubber hand grips and two rear handles for easier positioning. If you look at the color-coded section of the chamber, you will clearly see the layout with amplifier, compression drivers, mid-ranges, woofers, handles and mechanics. The HDL50A is loaded with two high-power 12-inch woofers. They feature a 3-inch voice coil, water-resistant fiber-doped cone, and polycotton M-roll surround. The hypervented magnetic structure is powered by a strong neodymium disc. Four low-distortion neodymium mid-ranges cooperate to create a planar wave on the center of the speaker. A 2-inch aluminium voice coil handles the power, keeping a very low-moving mass. This shows one of the two 3-inch coil large-format compression drivers. The 3-inch titanium dome is driven by a high-power neodymium magnetic structure. The newly designed 4-path waveguide at the core of this revolutionary array allows a precise 90 by 10 degrees coverage, whilst also delivering a superb linear high-frequency response. The unique shape of the 4 ducts forming the guide creates an ideal isophasic load from 700 Hz to the highest audible frequencies. Thanks to the newly designed waveguide in combination with low-resonance large-format drivers, the HDL50A will maintain intelligibility and definition where competitive models will start to attenuate and break up. The DSP-controlled digital 4-way amplifier delivers an impressive 4,400 watts peak. The power is managed as follows: 1100 plus 1100 watt for the woofers, 1400 watt for the 4 mid-ranges, and 800 watt power to the compression drivers. We have designed a simple and easy-to-access control on the back of the speaker that allows a number of presets to be recalled in a simple way. There are 3 possible HF settings, 4 possible cluster configurations, and a special stacking equalization. The panel shows signal, power, and limiter LEDs. The onboard RDNet control manages the real-time monitor and control of the system in a daisy-chain configuration. A single Ethernet controller can manage up to 256 devices linked in 8 separate buses. The power input section consists of input and output PowerCon sockets. Now let's take a look at the mechanics. The integrated mechanics are both fast and reconfigurable. The system engineer can create J-shaped or spiral arrays with a resolution of 0.5 degrees. The symmetrical design of the cabinet produces identical left and right coverage. The component positioning and special DSP crossover filtering of the HDL50A take care of the constant directivity without spots of breakup or attenuation. The originally designed V-shaped front baffle provides coplanar mid-ranges and woofers and controlled low-frequency dispersion. The Sub 9007 AS is a large-format double 21-inch active bass reflex subwoofer designed to be the perfect complement for the HDL50A. The bass reflex design guarantees an incredibly extended frequency response, and the 4-inch vented woofer offers the minimum of power compression. The color-coded section of the chamber will clearly show the layout with amplifier, front-loaded woofers, handles, and pole mount fittings. The Sub 9007 AS subwoofer is loaded with two 21-inch neodymium woofers with a 4-inch voice coil handcrafted in our factory to produce incredible power handling, long excursion and perfect control. The dual forced air venting system provides very efficient voice coil ventilation and minimizes power compression. Two separate Class D amplifiers ensure high efficiency and maximum reliability for extensive use. Each amplifier delivers 3,400 watts to the 21-inch woofers, and the regulated power supply guarantees full power operation from 100 volts up to 240 volts. The amplifier circuitry is mounted on a unique vibro-stop floating aluminium panel for extra protection during transportation. A new generation DSP handles all the processing within the cabinet. The Sub 9007 AS input section features a single encoder and display to control gain, delay and equalization presets. These settings include infra-subwoofer, extended low and cardioid configurations. The Sub 9007 AS is equipped with RDNet onboard connection for complete remote monitoring and control of the speaker. The Sub 9007 AS is designed to stack HDL50 A modules when used in the vertical position, or to stack HDL50 A modules when used in the horizontal position.